Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So today I wanted to show you the state of my Fold 3's screen protector. This is the factory installed screen protector. So I've had this phone for about 1.5 years now, and as you can see, the screen protector itself is completely come off. I would say this started peeling off about 6 months ago. Just at the edges, started off from both edges, and eventually over the last few months, it's completely come off in the middle and started peeling everywhere. So every time I open and close the phone, there's this really awful noise of the screen protector basically coming off from the screen again every time, and then when I close it, it goes back in its position. And that's basically the screen protector coming off again. So that can't be good for the screen at all. So I need to change it as soon as possible. I just wanted to show you what a mess a factory installed screen protector. I expect it to be a better quality. So anyway, and I want to show you my Fold 2's screen protector, which we've installed ourselves. This isn't the factory installed one. Those of you who have had Fold 2 will know the factory installed screen protector was very sticky, and the finger didn't glide very well. So we decided to change this screen protector to alternative one, which is much nicer. It's not sticky, and the finger glides, the pen glides really well. But as you can see, there's a slight peel there, and that's been there for a while now, and a slight peel just on the edge there. But I've had this screen protector for 3 years now, and look how well it stayed. I've got the video of installing this screen protector actually on the channel, so I'll leave the link up there if you're interested, if you want to have a look. But this company, I can't remember the name at the moment, but this company screen protector is so good. It hasn't come off, and this has been on use continuously for the first 2 years, and this year I use it now and then, here and there, so it's not continuously been used, but this is like a second phone now, or a third phone. But the quality of the screen protector, I'm amazed compared to the factory installed screen protector. I expected that to last forever, really, long as I had the phone, and I'm quite disappointed. So I'm gonna have to get another screen protector, install it on this one. I just wanted to know if any of you had similar issues with your screen protector for Z folds. Please do comment down below and let me know of your experiences. So I've ordered and already received the new screen protector that I'm going to be installing. It's the Whitestone Dome screen protector. They're well known for their tempered glass screen protector, so I'm really looking forward to installing this. So stay tuned. I'll be doing a video on installing this screen protector on my Fold 3. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.